Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today's video I just want to show you guys how I was able to make this twisted updo hairstyle from start to finish. And this is something that anyone can actually try out if you follow the necessary steps that I'll be listing out in this video. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. And yeah, I was using a mega perfective leave-in conditioner to just smoothing out my hair. You can actually use gel if you want to, but I just chose not to use any form of gel for this tutorial. So yeah, I'm basically just parting my hair into two parts. That's the one in the front, and then I'm also going to part the middle and then at the back. So yeah, this is basically just to create my pattern in the right way before starting it out.
No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
And yeah, just in case you're wondering how to part the back of your hair, I was just basically using a mirror at the back and a mirror at the front just to see the parts at the back, even if I'm still trying my best to get the parts right. But I know that definitely with practice I'll be able to perfect my skills in parting my hair properly. So this is something that you can actually just try out. Just put a mirror at the back and one at the front, and then trust me, you'll definitely be able to make your hair by yourself.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no.
So now that we're done with this pattern, I'm basically just using just 3 pieces of pre-stretched braid. I just took it out from the pack just like that without dividing it into 2. So this is actually a pre-stretched braiding extension. So you can just I use like just 3 pieces for this twisted updo. So this is just basically it. If you want it bigger than this, then you can actually use 1.5 for one part. So you're basically using 1.5 for each of the parts for the hair. So just right after just attaching it to my hair, I just took out a little piece and then I just combed it, and then I wrapped it all the way around just to have a very clean finish, and also to prevent the other the bands from showing. But if you have I feel like some people would just start twisting it out directly, if you actually get what I mean, instead of just bringing out a little hair and then wrapping it around. They'll just go ahead and just start twisting it just to create the twisted updo, if you get what I mean. But this is just basically how I did mine. I'm just elaborating on how I was able to make this so that you can have a clear understanding.
hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
Okay guys, this is the final look and I'm totally loving this look. If you find this video very helpful, do make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. And that is all for today's video. I love you guys. Bye.
get me out of now.